Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how your car's rear wheels can spin at different speeds while turning without tearing the tires apart? The answer lies into the brilliant mechanical system called the rear differential. Today we'll break down exactly how it works, including the ring gear, pinion gear, side gears, spider gears, and axle shafts, and how they all work together to deliver smooth power to your wheels. The differential is a gearbox located between the rear wheels. Its main job is simple. It transfers engine power to both wheels while allowing them to rotate at different speeds. This becomes extremely important whenever a vehicle turns. When turning, the outside wheel travels farther than the inside wheels. That means the outside wheel must rotate faster. Without a differential, both wheels would be forced to spin at same speed, causing the scrubbing, instability, and drivetrain stress. Let's follow the power. The engine sends rotational power through the transmission and into the drive shaft. The drive shaft then turns a small gear called the pinion gear. The pinion gear is connected directly to the drive shaft. As it spins, it engages with a much larger gear called the ring gear. The ring gear changes the direction of power by 90 degrees. This allows rotational force from the drive shaft to turn axle shafts connected to the wheels. Because the ring gear is larger than the pinion gear, it also multiplies torque. That extra torque helps move the vehicle efficiently. The ring gear is bolted to the differential carrier, sometimes called the differential case. As the ring gear rotates, the entire carrier rotates with it. Inside this carrier are small gears that make the differential truly special. Inside the carrier are two important components: spider gears and side gears. The spider gears are small gears mounted on a central shaft. These gears mesh with the side gears, which are connected directly to the axle shafts. The axle shafts transfer power to the rear wheels. When the vehicle moves in a straight line, both rear wheels rotate at the same speed. In this situation, the spider gears do not rotate around their own shaft. Instead, they simply move together with the differential carrier. Both side gears and both axle shafts rotate equally. Power is evenly delivered to both wheels. But everything changes when the vehicle turns. The outside wheel must travel a longer distance than the inside wheel. To make this possible, the spider gears begin rotating on their own shafts. This motion allows one side to rotate faster than the other. As a result, the outside wheel spins faster, the inside wheel spins slower, all while both wheels continue receiving power. This is the magic of the differential. Imagine trying to turn with both wheels locked together. One tire would be forced to skid across the road surface. That creates excess tire wear and makes turning harder. The differential solves this problem by automatically adjusting wheel speeds during turns. However, a standard open differential has one major limitation. If one wheel loses traction, such as on ice or mud, power tends to flow to the wheel with the least resistance. That wheel spins freely while the other wheel receives very little usable torque. This is why some vehicles use limited slip or locking differentials for better traction. Let's recap the main components. The pinion gear receives power from the drive shaft. The ring gear transfers and multiplies torque. The differential carrier rotates the internal gears. Spider gears allow speed differences between wheels. Side gears connect to the axle shafts, and the axle shafts deliver power directly to the wheels. The rear differential is one of the most important mechanical systems in a vehicle. It allows smooth turning, improves handling, and efficiently transfers engine power to the wheels. Even though it operates quietly in the background, this ingenious system makes modern driving possible. And now you know exactly how it works.